Hello, dear professor. Thank you for coming. First of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Hongyan. Today, I'm going to talk about predictive analysis of the correlation between net profit and other accounting items, a case study of BRD. Next part is contents. It consists of the following parts: abstract, literature review, problem statement, objectives, methodology, analysis of research results, conclusions and recommends. Part 1. Abstract. This study aims to explore the correlation between BRD's net profit and accounting factors such as total operating income growth rate, total operating cost rate, inventory and inventory turnover rate. SPSS is used to study the relevant data using multiple regression analysis and correlation research, thereby revealing the specific contribution of these accounting factors to the company's operating results, and providing a quantitative base for corporate financial management and operation decisions, which is of great significance to financial analysis and management practice within and outside the industry. Part 2. Literature review. A large number of studies have shown that the net profit of an enterprise is affected by a variety of accounting factors, and many scholars have used the method of multiple linear regression to analyze accounting factors, which provides a reference for this paper. However, although many students have explored the impact of accounting factors on net profit in the new energy car industry, especially for companies like BRD, there are still some research gaps, and there are few studies on this impact of relevant accounting items on net profit. Therefore, our research provides reference for managers of related companies by conducting multiple linear regression and correlation analysis on BRD's financial data from 2014 to 2023. 3. Problem statements. I will introduce the core issues that this study focuses on, which are how to identify and quantify the impact of key accounting elements on BRD's net profit, what are the correlations between these accounting elements, which accounting elements have a significant impact on net profit. The study of these three issues not only helps to deeply understand BRD's financial performance, but also provides empirical evidence to enterprises in making strategical decisions. In order to solve this problem, we use multiple linear regression and correlation analysis methods. Part 4. Objectives. My paper aims to achieve the following key goals: optimize the forecasting models to help investors better manage their finances and make strategic decisions, help investors identify and avoid financial risks, assist BRD in managing financial risks and making informed decisions, promote regulatory agencies to maintain market stability. The achievement of these research goals will not only help improve the financial management capabilities of investors, but also provide a valuable reference for BRD and the regulatory agencies. Next is the research methodology. In my paper, I mainly used the multiple linear regression model and the correlation analysis. Multiple linear regression allows us to consider multiple independent variables at the same time and measure their impact on the dependent variable. Correlation analysis can help us understand the relationship between different accounting factors and their correlation with net profit. Then I divided the selected variables into three groups of independent variables and used the multiple linear regression model to analyze their impact on the dependent variable net profit. Then my research framework. Next part. Correlation analysis helps us review the relationships between different accounting factors. By analyzing these relationships, we can understand how these factors affect each other and identify factors that may have a key impact on net profit. In addition, we can also screen out variables that are highly correlated with net profit, reduce multicollinearity problems in regression models, and improve the accuracy and explanatory power of the model. From the table, we can see the BRD's net profit has a significant positive correlation with the total revenue, total operating cost, and inventory, but a negative correlation with operating cost rates. Next is the analysis result of marketing linear regression. From the table, we can see that the adjusted R square is 92.6%, which shows that the model has a good goodness of fit. At the same time, we can see the p-value of gross revenue is less than 0.0, indicating that it has significant impact on net profit. However, the p-value of revenue growth rate is greater than 0.05, indicating that it has a significant impact on net profit and we can ignore it. Multiple regression analysis total operating costs and operating cost ratio. From the table, we can see that the adjusted R square is 98.1%, indicating that the model has a good goodness of fit. At the same time, we can see that p-values of total operating cost and operating cost rate are less than 0.05, indicating that they have a significant impact on net profit. Next part, multiple regression analysis, inventory and inventory turnover ratio. Inventory. From the table, we can see that the adjusted R square is 18.8%, indicating that the model has a high explanatory power. At the same time, we can see that the p-value of inventory is less than 0.05, indicating that it has significant impact on net profit. However, the p-value of inventory turnover ratio is greater than 0.05, indicating that it has a significant impact on net profit and can be ignored. Last part, conclusion and recommendations. Conclusions. Through research, it is found that total operating revenue, total operating costs, and inventory have a significant positive impact on net profit. The total operating cost rate has a negative impact on net profit, where inventory turnover rate has no significant impact. Recommendations. Continuously adjust model parameters to suit market changes and company needs. Number 2, implement to reverse risk alert system to prevent significant losses. Number 3, BRD management should utilize research funding to improve financial management regularly. Number 4, governments should enhance oversight of corporate finances, optimizing resource distribution, and develop effective regulatory policies. Thank you for your listening.